In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIFs for social media using Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring a little extra flair to your social media posts, adding an animated GIF is a fantastic way to catch viewers' attention. Luckily, Canva makes this process seamless, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and look for the Create button. You'll find it on the home page, usually towards the top. Clicking on Create will bring up a search bar, and this is where you need to type in the word animated. This action will help filter through Canva's extensive library to find exactly what we're looking for. You'll then see the option labeled Animated Social Media. Select it, and Canva will present you with various templates specifically designed for animation. These provide an excellent starting point to get those creative juices flowing. Whether it's a quirky design or something more elegant, Canva's templates have got you covered. Once you've picked your template, head over to the Elements tab on the side panel. This feature allows you to add different graphics to your GIF. And within the Elements section, you'll discover a subsection called Stickers. Stickers are moving graphics ideal for animations and can significantly enhance your project. Select whichever sticker fits the vibe of your design, and the beauty of Canva is that you simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. This process allows you to position your sticker precisely where you want, adding a lively touch to your design. If you wish to adjust the duration of your animation, Canva makes it easy. You can increase or decrease how long the elements appear by dragging your design page to the left or right. This flexibility allows you to control the pacing, ensuring your GIF runs at the perfect speed to convey your message effectively. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Head over to the Share button, typically located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this gives you the option to download your creation. Look for the Download button in the menu that appears. Here's an important step. Make sure to choose the right file type. You'll first see the option for MP4 video, but we want a GIF, so select the GIF option instead. This format is perfect for social media because it loops continuously, making it more engaging. With these steps, your animated GIF is ready, and you're now prepared to enhance your social media posts with eye-catching animations. Remember, experimenting with different templates and elements can lead to even more creative outcomes. Enjoy exploring the possibilities Canva offers, and have fun creating stunning GIFs.